Nati. What's your name?
My name is Yori. I'm from Hawaii. Where are you from?
I'm from Japan. I live in Sakai town.
What do you have in your town?
We have beautiful parks like Sakura no Mori Park and Furiai no Sato Park. Do you have parks?
Yes, we do. We also have beaches. Do you have beaches?
No, we don't. But we have Tone River. We enjoy boat racing festival there.
That sounds exciting.
Let's learn. What do you have in your town?
We have beautiful beaches. What do you have in your town?
We have Tone River.
What do you have in your town?
We have McKenna's Park. What do you have in your town?
We have Sakura no Mori Park and Furiai no Sato Park.
What do you have in your town?
We have Kohala Mountains. What do you have in your town?
We have a lot of green fields.
Nice!
Sakai Town is an amazing town. We have beautiful parks like Sakura no Mori Park and Furiai no Sato Park. We also have Tone River. It's wide and clean. People enjoy watching boat racing festival here. We have a lot of green fields. We grow tea shrubs, cabbages, and rice. I love my town. Let's try. Good job!